Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how I make this delicious fish jollof rice. I am Rosie, welcome to my kitchen. I will be using cod fish. The fish is nicely cleaned and cut. I will season with salt, onions powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper. I will rub the seasons on the fish. You can use any season of your choice to season the fish. You can also use any fish of your choice for this recipe. I will cover the fish and allow the fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes. In a bowl, I will add flour, add salt, pepper, and mix that together. The fish is well marinated. I'll be coating the fish with the flour, and this is going to give the fish this extra crispiness when it's fried. And I'll put that aside, repeat the process with the rest of the fish. So coat and then dust it a bit. I have all of the fish well coated. It's time to fry the fish. And the oil is hot. I will add pepper, garlic, and rosemary to flavor the oil, and then add the fish. Fry the fish until they are well fried. Once the fish is nicely fried on one side, I will flip them to the other side and allow the sides to fry as well. The fish are well fried. I will take them out of the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the fried fish. This fried fish was so delicious. Very crispy outside and super moist inside. I will set the fish aside until we are ready to use it. Next, I will be using bay leaves, rosemary, thyme, curry powder, salt, bouillon, oil, tomato paste, butter, fresh tomatoes, peppers, bell peppers, onions, garlic. I have them nicely cut and clean. I have taken out the seed from the bell peppers. I will blend until it is smooth. In a pot, I will add some of the oil I use in frying the fish. Allow the oil to heat up. I will add some diced onions, and I'll fry the onions for about a minute or two. Once the onions is well fried, I will add tomato paste and then stir it. I'm going to keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt, and I will fry it until the tomato paste is well fried and it doesn't have any of that sour taste anymore. Then add the blended pepper mix. I'll rinse the cup with a little bit of water, add that, and I will season with thyme, bay leaves, curry powder, salt, bouillon cube, and then give that a stir. I'll be frying the stew on a medium to low heat until the stew is well fried. I'll cover and allow the stew to fry. Next, this is the head from the cod fish. I will be using it to make the stock to cook the rice. In a pot, I will add the fish head. I will season it with onions, garlic, pepper, rosemary, thyme, salt, bouillon cube, and then add some water. I'll cover and allow the fish head to cook for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. The stock is ready. I'm going to strain it out to get rid of any bone from the stock. Next, I will be using this rice and I'm going to wash the rice until the water runs clear. And let's see how the sauce is doing. The sauce is well fried at this point. Once you see oil on top of stew, then you know the stew is well fried. And I have quite a lot of stew, so I'm going to be taking out some of the stew before adding the rice because I don't want the stew to overshadow the rice. And you can also add some of it back later if there is need for it. And then I'll add the rice, which is nicely washed. So I wash the rice for about 4 times until the water runs clear. And I will be toasting it for 5 minutes. Toasting the rice before adding any liquid to it helps to bring out that beautiful orange color of the jollof rice. Next, I will add the stock from the fish. And then add some hot water. I will stir before adding more water. For jollof rice, you don't need too much water to cook it. The steam will cook the rice. You need the water to just be a little bit above the rice, and that will cook the rice perfectly. I will be cooking this rice for 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat until the rice is ready. I will add some of the sauce I took out earlier on, give that a quick stir. How long you cook the rice depends on the type of rice you use. I will cover it with foil to trap in the heat and I'll leave the rice to cook. The highest of my stove is 10. I'm cooking on number 4. It's been 20 minutes. I'll check the rice. I will add diced onions and butter. And I will stir. You can adjust the seasoning if needed. At this point, this rice is almost ready. So I want this rice to have that smoky flavor you get from the one that is cooked with charcoal. I'm going to increase the heat to the highest and I will leave it to burn for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I will take off the cover. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing in my kitchen. The fish oil and the stock took this rice to another level of deliciousness and it smells amazing. This jollof rice was very, very delicious. And the rice is ready. I'll add the fish and then turn off the stove and serve. It was so delicious. My whole family enjoyed it and everybody kept asking for more. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.